fried chicken. This is official. It's gonna be banging. A real creation. This is like coconut fried chicken. And it's official, man. Just throw down. Get all the steam that's coming off of it. Y'all see that I don't play no game. Like, look how delicious this look. Just look at it. Just all the steam is coming off. It's amazing. All the skills I got. Look at what I can do, ladies. Look at what y'all all missing out on. You know what I'm saying? A man that can cook. Man, a lot of skills. Might as well call me the handyman. Alright, peace out. As I'm saying, like, I got a website I'm working on. I want you guys to check it out. It's called JamaricandFastMoney.com. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much you got a lot of your favorite stores on there, so I want y'all to support me and shop.